Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about juicing and keto. Had another question, can I juice on a ketogenic diet? Let's talk about that. Well, you have two types of things that people juice, fruit juice and the vegetable juice, okay? I would not recommend consuming fruit juice because it's just too high in sugar. You're taking out the fiber, but you're left with a lot of sugar in there, okay? A lot of fructose too, especially in certain fruits. Now, vegetables are not going to give you that sweetness, so that's going to be totally fine if you wanted the juice. But the problem is that it's really hard to consume without adding a little carrot juice and apple in there. And I used to do that all the time. I used to juice so much carrot juice till my skin started turning orange. So I don't recommend it because your blood sugars will spike, and it caused a hypoglycemic reaction on me when I started having too much juice. But the point is that it's real hard to do this without adding the fruit. So if you can not add the fruit, then go for it. All right? Now, because the fiber buffers the insulin response, so it's much better to consume the whole vegetable or the whole fruit, but I don't recommend fruit on a ketogenic diet. Maybe some small amounts of berries, maybe half a cup, but not necessarily fruit. But let's say you're not doing the ketogenic diet and you want to do fruit. Go for it. Just consume the whole fruit. So now also blending is better when you put your kale and berries in a shake and you blend it, because you have all the fiber, the whole thing in one unit. That's much better than juicing. Now, when you drink V8 or orange juice, for example, or grape juice, you have to realize that all that is pasteurized. The heat, the extreme heats, kill off the enzymes. A lot of these vitamins are heat sensitive, so realize when you're consuming that, you're not consuming what you think you're consuming, okay? And then the other question is, what about the wheatgrass juice powder, because that's a juice, should you do it? Well, the wheatgrass juice powder per serving has 1 gram of carbohydrate. You're allowed 20 to 50 grams, okay? So 1 gram of carbohydrate isn't too bad. And if you wanted something with a little sweet, this has stevia, it's lemon, and that way you can get the sweetness but without the sugar. I do have a plain too, it's not that bad tasting. Some people need the sweetness, but the point is you can do that comfortably because you're getting a lot of nutrients without the sugar, okay? All right, thanks for watching. Hi guys, hey listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.